36 long hackathon. Think of an idea, make a team of 2 to 4 college students with no year, branch, course and college restrictions. You can also become a campus ambassador for this event. The themes of the hackathon are cybersecurity, education, women's safety, e-administration, life in pandemic. So let's see the prizes. The winner will get 25,000 rupees. The second prize is 15,000 rupees and third prize is 10,000 rupees. And there are other prizes also. For the best all girls team will get 10,000 rupees and there will be t-shirts and goodies for the top participants. And MLH is giving goodies to all the participants. And there are several other goodies also, you can see. And all the participants will get data camp worth $399 with premium license for the data camp and t-shirts and goodies for top 10 teams. Okay, there are a lot of swag for all the participants, so don't miss this opportunity. The winners will get certificate and free 1-year subscription licenses of Azure RP Team Edition and Wolfram Alpha, Proto.io, etc. for all the participants, and there is a 20% discount coupon for all the participants. So please give it a try. All the links will be provided in the description.
Thank you.